Life as a cadet can sometimes get pretty messy. Training events like the hand grenade range, buddy team live fire, and the field training exercise require cadets to get down in the dirt. The cadets are responsible for their laundry when they're in the barracks, but during the days they're out in the field, they'll need some support. And at Logistics Support Area Pickett, you'll find the soldiers that answer their call.
So we're the 430th Quartermaster Company out of Puerto Rico, and we're here to support the cadet summer training with laundry and shower operations. There's already a schedule set for each regiment. We would make sure that they come in with a master list so that the laundry bags that they're turning in matches the number of cadets that turned it into them. Once that process is done, it'll move to the laundry processing tent. Each soldier will grab a laundry bag from a cadet. They'll count the pieces that are inside each bag and make sure it matches the number that the cadets wrote on the laundry slip. Once that's done, they'll divide it into mesh bags and they'll create loads. Each load is 25 mesh bags. After that process is done, the laundry cart with the load will go to one of the LADs, which is the laundry advanced system. It takes about an hour and 15 minutes to wash. We actually broke our record here. We did 47 loads for a total of 1,100 bundles. So during the cadet summer training, we broke our own record.
The lads might get the laundry done, but they're not the cleanest of machines. However, the 430th Quartermaster Company soldiers recognized this and took steps to improve the machines so they have a lower impact on the environment during their operation at Fort Knox.
This piece of equipment doesn't come like in eco-friendly way, so we did some adjustment to the machine so it could be eco-friendly. One of the things is disposal of dirty water when we clean the machine. One of the things that we do is we make little pieces like this one so we can throw all the dirty water out of the system through a tubing system that we have in the setups, so we can be more eco-friendly. So this is the back of the machine. This is where the majority of the dirty and the things that are in the machine comes out. So the machine is not designed to be eco-friendly, and we do some adjustment to it. We got this little trail that we put in the back, and then after that we use this bucket so that all the dirty water goes in the bucket through the hose, and we put it in the tubing system that we made up for this exercise in order to us to be more eco-friendly.
Along with the laundry, LSA Pickett also serves as a shower point for cadets that have come back from the field.
So for the shower mission, we receive soldiers from regiments, 2 companies at a time. We set up the showers using 2 tents, one for male and one for females. Usually the showers has 6 basins, but since we upgrade the system, the shower system, so we can attend 16 soldiers at a time. We phase out the showers to get more privacy for the soldiers. I ask them every time if they got out of the shower, the temperature of the water was good, they tell me it was nice.
So for all the cadets that wondered what happened after you bundled up your laundry to be washed, or how there can be a shower in a tent, you have LSA Pickett and its soldiers from Puerto Rico to thank. This is Kyle Crawford reporting from the CST Public Affairs Office.